Once we know we're above the field, we're going to go ahead and get the flap or the landing gear down, and we can secure everything.
Northwest Secretary, you have a twin Cessna over the bend in the Sawgrass Expressway, climbing through 2,200 for 5,500 Northwest bend.
1, 2, 3. Now we can go ahead and secure everything, lights and alternator, master. Cold Springs traffic, you got a Cherokee over the South Boca racetrack, simulated engine out, Cold Springs. Don't go too far. Beautiful, man. Okay, start slowly adding that power.
Ferry practice area says on 172 RG 1,200. We're about 2 northwest of Opaloca West. We have a traffic going northbound inside. We're going southeastbound on break.
This altitude, you can start getting that gear up.